We all know that extension cords are super handy to have and pretty much essential in any household. But if you're anything like me, you have a couple really old, outdated extension cords in your house. Well, I can definitely recommend this one to upgrade those old ones with. It has 4 3-prong outlets, and one of them is spaced out for those bigger plugs. You know, the ones that are always crowding your extension cords. And I love that it has 2 USB ports, so you can plug your phone charger straight into it. It has this power switch, so you don't have to unplug everything if you want to cut the power. And probably one of the most important features is that it has a flat cord, which you can safely run under a rug to get it across the room. And it's 10 foot long, so you can really cover some ground with this extension cord. It has a 3-prong plug, and it includes screws and this little wall mount template sticker that you can use to stick up on the wall, perfectly drill the right holes the first time, and mount your power strip. And it's the little things in life. I also love that it comes with this Velcro strip that is already on the cord, so you can use that to tie it up while you're storing it. I also love that it's just a nice, fresh, bright white, and it doesn't have any silly bright colors on it, because to me, that's just what looks most aesthetic in my home.